Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the master's degree admission notice that is released by the West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences. So without any further ado, let's get started. So simply according to the master's degree admission notice that is released by the West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences for the academic session 2021 and 22. So basically the online applications are invited for the admissions to the master's degree program for the academic session of 2021-22 in the following subjects under the different faculties. First one is Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, and these are the subject under which the master degree is available at West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences. The next faculty is Faculty of Dairy Technology, and these are the subjects available, and the next faculty is Faculty of Fishery Sciences, and these are the subjects available. So I request everyone to just pause the video and kindly have a look at these faculties and the subjects available under these faculty for the master's degree. Moving on to the important dates, so simply the admission schedule will be as follows. So firstly, the online forms available through the website of the university from 7th of February 2022 to 17th of February 2022. The last date of submission of the forms online mode along with the relevant documents will be 17th of February 2022 only. The date of the written test will be 19th of February 2022. The date of the personal interviews will start from 25th of February 2022 to 28th of February 2022. The publication of the merit list will be on 4th of March 2022. The counseling procedure, date of seat allotment, date of admission by paying fees will be notified in the due course of time in the university website, and this is the university website to access those details. Moving on, the date of registration and commencement of the semester will also be notified in the due course of time. Moving on, the written test will be held in the examination hall Vivek Bhavan, office of the controller examination. At this particular address, the personal interview of the candidate will be held in the office of the respective departments. I will leave the links of these particular documents in the description box below, so you can download it and kindly have a look at it. So at last we will discuss about some general instruction that was provided in this particular admission notice. So simply you have to fill the online application form. There will be no application fee for this particular year. The candidate seeking the admission to the master's degree program must have a BVSc and AH or BTech in Dairy Technology or BFSc from the recognized university with 55% aggregate marks, that is 50% marks for SC, ST, OBC A or OBC B candidates in the traditional system, or minimum 6.2 OGPA, 6 for SC, ST, OBC A, OBC B candidates in the 10-point system. The submission of the PDC, final transcript, is obligatory with the application. The next general instruction states that there is no separate quota for in-service candidates, and NOC from the employer of in-service candidate is obligatory with the application. At last, the university reserves right to increase or decrease the number of seats in any department without assigning any reason thereof. So these are some general instructions that you should take care of before filling the online application form for this particular university. So this was all about the master's degree admission notice that is released by the West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences. I hope this particular notice is clear to all of you, and if you find any of the difficulties, you can refer to other documents related with this particular admission notice released by the university, and I will leave the links of all those documents in the description box below. So at last, I would like to wish all the best to all the applicants. Thank you very much. So that's all for this video. We will meet very soon in the next one.